Good morning and happy Friday, folks. It is the 20th of June, 2014. EP hanging out in the TradeLAB. We got some live markets ticking away here, live trades, I should say. I wanted to start the recording early so you guys could see live trading at its best. Just taking our first profit in natural gas over here to the far right. We had a RQ channel setup come along. You can see the candles turning from blue to yellow to purple, or pink, whatever you want to call it, fuchsia. How about that? How about a winner? Turning, breaking the RQ channels, showing me an entry, taking profits at 25%, the first available profit target into the bear zone. I still have another unit out there. It's got about $1.10 at open trade equity. Still at risk. I'm not at break even yet. I've got a target down here where I'm going to start trailing. And you can see I have a target down there where I'm going to start taking profits on the second one. Potential here of about almost $700 on the second unit if we can climb down. That would be natural gas. Another energy that's killing it right now is crude oil. Just had a lift off. You can see the channel that actually came down has been slowly following down this trail here, and that's where my entry was. On a one lot, $230 open trade equity as we speak. This is only in the last 5 minutes. So between the two, we got about $300 in open trade equity. In fact, the positions I have on, there they are, live. Dollar CAD, waiting for a number to come out here in literally 3 minutes. On retail sales out of Canada, got a crude that is long, got a natural gas that is short, and a Russell that is long. The pace of my voice has nothing to do with how long it took to find these positions. It's been a very calm morning, slowly slicing up what to buy, what to sell by looking at the RiosQuant report. Looking at the macros, looking at the micros. Again, this is found at RiosQuant.com. And I'm going to keep this recording going for just another minute and a half, 2 minutes, so you guys can watch what happens live when this Canadian report comes out. Now, this Canadian's against me right now. It's about $80 in the hole. Hanging on. Now, this crude oil, very attractive. Got 220 open trade equity on it as we speak. And we started trading this morning looking for trade opportunities at 7:30. That's when we open the doors here at the TradeLAB. We hold those doors open for about 3 hours. Now, if you trade in the U.S. session, great. You can trade with us. If you trade in the London session, that's great too. Here's a trade that I did last night in copper. Copper, this trade actually produced at 20 minutes before our official London tea time, which is 2 o'clock. And look at this. Breaking outside a channel, very evident where the breakout would be, and these Gnostic levels, are they fantastic or what? Using channels to help me identify where to get in, using Gnostic levels helping me identify where to get out. That right there was about a $550 trade last night. Here's the trades that I've had so far, that one trade with the copper, and this one natural gas that I just closed up. With all the traders here at $100. So $550 in copper last night and $100 so far on the first natural gas contract. Still have another natural gas contract over there on the far right. So we got about 340, 240, about 250. Wow, look at crude going now. Look at this, guys. Woo! You're getting to see this happen live. We're taking some serious money out of the market right now. Can't make this up, guys. This is live market, 8:30. You see the clock ticking. Live stuff right before your eyes. Fantastic opportunities this morning. Now, what happened right here was the Canadian retail sales number that just came out. I had my profit targets in place ahead of time. Profit targets in place ahead of time, and I just took out my targets. You can see I was short. You guys saw that. Profit target halfway down. Profit target at the bottom. That's my last Gnostic level. And look at this crude oil. Fantastic. It went right up to the first level of, this is what we call resistance. First level and last level of resistance. Now, of course, I got an open order down there. We're going to cancel that. And you know what I'm going to do with this natural gas? I'm going to lock in, guys. I'm done for the day. Let's just lower the risk on the open trade equity that I got. Same with the Russell. This is called closing it down and walking away with a big grin on my face. You want to know why? Because I just showed you guys $650 of open trade equity prior to what you guys just saw, and guess where it is now? $1,400, guys. I just doubled my return with those trades that we had on. $1,400. Just lowered the risk on what I have left over. And as far as positions, I just got the Russell now. In the worst case scenario on the Russell is I'm going to lose 10, maybe 20 bucks. Now, if that doesn't excite you, that doesn't get you off of your butt and get up and want to do something, and want to trade with us and learn how to do this, nothing ever will. Quit now. If you are excited, you want to learn how to do what I just did and watch me do this every morning in the TradeLAB, you need to hop over to one simple website. It's easy to remember. TradingRoom.com. The technology you're going to learn is called the RiosQuant Trading Technology. You're going to get your access pass. You're going to get every single tool that I have just shown you guys. The levels, the channels, the logic. Logic showing you what to trade, when to trade. Going through this basket of markets over here that you find at RiosQuant.com. So yes, you have two websites to remember. RiosQuant to learn. The Trading Room to get access. TradingRoom.com is actually a blog where we're going to post videos. We're going to post pictures and a lot of great content that Joe Rios, the CEO, head strategist for RiosQuant, is going to present to you. Myself, just call me somebody just like you. I'm a trader. Come in, join me, be here Monday. That's it, and that's all. Happy trading.